All right, so we've got these lights, stakes, kind of not 100% straightened up, but they're powered by this little power box that you'll plug in, and then you'll connect them using these little connectors here. What you need to really pay attention to is there's little arrows on here. The arrows need to match up. If you don't match up the arrows, it's not going to work. So there's no button to turn off and on. You just plug them in and they go. There is a button on the box here. That's only if you need to repair it. It's a Bluetooth, so don't touch it otherwise. But then you do get extension cables with each one, depending on how far apart you want to put them. Kind of space them out a little bit, so you just start kind of daisy chaining them together wherever you want. Probably need to clean up the cords some. And then you can also adjust these however you want. So you just turn this, and then this will kind of go wherever you want it, and then locks into place. So you're able to do, really whatever you want with it. And then within the app, you're able to change the colors to any combination that you want. You can have them on solids. I've got them on a flashing one right now because I want to see what it looks like at night, especially with a fog machine for Halloween. But yeah, really simple to put these out and get them started. So this is the lights on one of the settings, the autumn setting. You kind of see, depending on how close you put them to the wall there, you can do some interesting designs. A couple of them I just got them pointing towards the house, the porch there, because when a fog machine's on, it's going to look pretty cool. But this is the autumn choice. This is Northern Lights. This one is Grasslands. This is Northland. Firefly Night. That one does look kind of spooky with Halloween stuff. This is Hut in the Snow. Look how they're progressing, kind of going left to right. So it's kind of like you're walking in the snow. This one is Cherry Blossoms. Maple Leaf. Fireworks at Sea is this one. Sea of Clouds. Look how it progresses there to left to right. It's pretty cool. Glacier Express. Willows. Iceland Blue. Lotus Flowers. Flower Harbor. This one's called Game. This one says Holiday. This evidently is Work. It's a very subtle change in brightness and colors. This is Party. You can kind of see how the colors just move across left to right. This is Trend. We can also choose to just go with a solid color, like this is a purple, for example, and it's a complete color wheel that I can go from this to that just from moving my finger around the color wheel. So you can change however you want it to, and however you want it to look is your choice. So if you want it steady, leave it steady. If not, put it into one of the scenes. So love these.